Take command of the road in the 2008 Nissan Frontier. With just over 40,000 miles on the odometer, this truck refuses to compromise. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Nissan infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear cup holders, a rear step bumper, a split folding rear seat, a bed liner, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.